So, the girl you like turned you down and you're probably feeling heartbroken. What now? First, give yourself some props and a good pat on the back for bravely asking her out. It didn't work out this time, but don't fret and keep putting yourself out there. In the meantime, you can show her what she's missing as you get over them. In this video, you'll learn all the best tips to elevate yourself to make her regret rejecting you. Tip number 1, look your best. Whether you like it or not, physical attributes play an important role in making you seem attractive and enticing to people. Even if you have the best of personalities, one needs to be easy on the eyes for them to have an open mind about having a romantic endeavor with you. And one of the best ways to do that is stepping up your wardrobe game. Usually, comfort matters the most while donning an outfit, but that doesn't mean you should dress like a bum. Try wearing the best and the coolest outfits you've got. If you haven't got any cool outfits, invest a little in upgrading your wardrobe. Buy and wear clothes that suit you and your complexion, that accentuate your body proportions and that highlight the best physical features about you. Try to mix and match your outfits with different accessories and combinations that highlight you in the best possible way. Learn how colors work and complement each other, and wear outfits accordingly. Getting a new haircut or hairstyle that suits your face shape and even coloring your hair can also aid in that. This will ensure that you always have a distinct presence about you, which might make her gaze gravitate towards you. It'll also create an illusion of glow-up or makeover and will leave a lasting impression on her and might make her reconsider the decision she made and might also make her approach you without you even initiating a conversation. Making sure about putting your best foot forward when it comes to your wardrobe is essential in making her realize or at least ponder if she's made a mistake by rejecting you. Tip number 2, spend time with your friends and hers. Being more social makes you seem like a fun, amicable, and happy person. So go and interact with your friends more often. Goof around with your friends and do fun activities with them. Plus, your friends can also provide you with much needed encouragement and support to help you heal from the pain, trauma, and shock of the rejection. Additionally, your social interactions with your friends and other close people creates a vibe around you that looks enticing and delightful to be around. It also makes her feel like she's missing out on the fun by having rejected you. Not only that, but hanging around her friends and socializing with them, having entertaining conversations, cracking jokes, and being polite and amicable with them further reinforces that feeling of missing out even further and make you seem more and more attractive, or at the very least interesting and fun as a result, which aids in making her think over her rejection and interact with you differently, maybe in a romantic fashion. Tip number 3, share pictures of you having fun. Allowing the thought of only her being the best thing that happened to you can be a massive detriment in what you're trying to achieve. You should go out and visit places, eat at places that are intriguing and enticing, and go have some fun with your friends and colleagues. And while you do it, make sure you take tons of pictures and share them on social media. Build a social media persona that makes it seem like you are a person that has fun and is surrounded with fun activities wherever you go. Make sure you look like you're having the time of your life and that you seem like you have the life of the party. This can help you in winning her over by sowing doubts whether she made the right decision by rejecting you. As humans, everyone wants to enjoy life to the fullest, and seeing you have tons of fun and live the life of excitement will make her feel like she's missing out on a ton of fun and excitement, and this might trigger a response that might make her reconsider the decision she's made by rejecting you and return back to your arms. Are you noting these tips down? Make sure you do so that you don't forget the insights in this video. Now, back to the video. Tip number 4, exude confidence. Having confidence or being confident makes people perceive you as more intriguing, interesting, well-rounded, and in some cases, downright attractive. It makes you seem like you have skills and qualities to back you up, and confidence also boosts a person's body posture, and it also helps add allure to your being, which makes you seem more attractive. When you pass by her in places, make eye contact with them, and smile or greet them with a friendly, warm hi as you walk away. She'll see that you're a strong, confident person who doesn't back down in adversity and may start wondering if she made a mistake. You shouldn't show a side of yourself that looks weak and can't take setbacks in stride. Most people don't want to go for a person who is spiritually weak and whiny, so make sure you become the most confident version of yourself and only approach them once you feel you've reached the mark. Tip number 5. Focus your attention on someone else. Most people like having people's attention on themselves. There is an innate desire for a person to feel that they are valued by the people around them. And since you've been friends with her for a long while now, there is a pretty good chance that she revels and thrives on the attention you've thrown at her. Now here's a tip: stop doing that. Or if you can't, then at least start distributing your attention to other things, and especially on other people. Make her jealous if you can by showering more attention on other girls in front of her. A person who has enjoyed what you're offering without giving anything back will notice this immediately, and they will do a lot to gain that drug of attention back. If they see you paying more attention to other people and things, they feel like they are an important aspect of their daily lives, and there is a very big chance that it might make her rethink or reconsider her decision as well. Tip number 6. Treat her like just an ordinary friend. Naturally, people pay special care and attention to the people they have romantic inclination towards. We give them a special place in our life and heart, and even shower them with special treatment. While it is a great thing if they are responding back to you in kind, but it can make you seem desperate. And as someone with no self-respect, if the other party isn't responding in kind. Plus, it will also get rid of the feeling of superiority or significance that they carry while interacting with you. Losing that special treatment, attention, care, and comfort from you might help her see the mistake she just made. She will also miss the comfort, warmth, and how loved and special you made them feel. And losing such a pleasing feeling might make them reconsider and look back. If they have made an error in just, the fear of losing such a rare feeling could make them run back to you. So, treat them as an ordinary person or a casual friend. It might make her react positively towards you as to not miss your affection and care. Tip number 7. Spend less time with her. On top of the few previous tips before this, add the fuel to the fire by reducing the amount of time you spend with her on a regular basis. When we like someone, we want to spend every waking hour with them, but the problem is if the party isn't responding in the way that you want, it is better to pull yourself away so as to create an uncomfortable vacuum in their routine, creating a longing of having you back. Spending less time with people also increases your value in their eyes as well, because they will slowly stop taking you for granted as they would have previously. Reduce the amount of one-on-one time you spend with her and only interact with her in groups or when something calls for it. Don't go out of your way to spend time with them. Let her miss the fun times and chats she had with you. Let her feel as her significance is decreasing in her life. Let her realize how core you were to her life and how much she misses it. This will make it so that she starts doubting her decision of rejecting you and might even take steps to be in your presence more, which is exactly what you intended. Like the tips? If you are, then like the video as well to show us you appreciate the work. Moving on, we have tip number 8. Act like she wasn't a big deal in your life. Seeing someone you rejected whine and cry and be upset in front of her could make her feel like she has the upper hand in the situation and could make her think that it was a good thing she left you because otherwise you would be a bother by being so emotionally and spiritually weak. It could also feed her superiority complex and make you seem like you have absolutely no value or joy and relevance on your own. You should eliminate the chance of all of these things. Seeing you be strong, confident, and walking with your head held high might make her want to think about her decision. There is a good chance that she'll doubt whether rejecting you was the right thing to do, and if she has missed a chance to be with an amazing, strong, and resilient person. Make her feel as if you were almost doing her a favor when you were asking her out. This way, there's a chance she might start responding towards you positively. Tip number 9. Flaunt your new crush in front of her. Almost everyone in this world has a fear of being replaced by someone else and losing their significance in someone's life. So you should make use of this exact fear and capitalize on that. Talk to other girls. Make sure the girl is as pretty and amazing, if not better than her. Append time with them. Maybe even flaunt one-on-one conversation with your new crush in front of her. Let her see what she's missing out on. Make her realize that she's losing a good person from her life. Make her come to the conclusion that she could have had all of that if she just chose to be with you. Even if they don't respond in the way you desire, you will still have a better option to move on with and might even get the new crush as your partner if everything goes smoothly. So there's no need to cling to one person as well. A bit of advice is that there are tons of people around you. It's the same when it comes to girls. You could use all of these tips to try and get the girl you liked back, but you could also just take that rejection in stride and find a person that wants and thinks and offers whatever that is you're looking for. So, Feel free to try these tips, but also grow and become a better person. So even if you don't get her back, you'll still be able to find a great person who will respond to you in kind somewhere down the line. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and share your thoughts on it in the comments. For more content like this, subscribe and check out our channel.